What do you do when you find yourself with copious amounts of time, locked indoors, nowhere to go, and also the problem of having food, especially fresh food, produce fruits in short supply? I'm going to show you how I took one stone to solve two problems. Stick around. Hi, I'm Carrie. Thank you for joining episode 2 of this project where I turn my concrete garden into a food forest. And I'm doing it first by actually removing the stones. And that's really hard work. Watch me and my homies as we walk through this project in Aruba.
Hi, happy Mother's Day. This is social distancing in the tropics. Mother's Day from Aruba. Hanging out at the beach with my little lovely. That's like a concrete layer. The more you dig, the more you find. Welcome to Aruba Rock. It's a nice stepping stone. Pre-made stepping stone.
Upcycle or recycle?
That's nice. That soil actually looks really rich when it's wet.
Still a drain.
Yes, you are seeing well. That is a block of concrete in the middle of the garden. We had no idea it was there. Didn't know why it was there. So, Houston, we have a problem. But every problem has a solution. In permaculture, the problem is a solution, but this is how we went about finding the solution to this one.
These are gonna be beautiful.
And then, in doing so, we created yet another problem, but you'll have to watch and see how this unfolds.
What is worse?
We didn't stop until we finished. And then when we're finished, this is what we discovered. There's a pipe that runs beneath it. Now we've got a bigger problem. Tell me in the comments below, what would you do to fix this? Until next week, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, like this video. And for recipes, just click on that description box and you'll get a link straight to my Chef and Steward blog so that you can cook your hearts out. Until next week. See you. Thanks for watching. Bye.